Hello everyone and welcome back, and today we're doing a review of Sanvello, which is a mental health and wellness app and platform. You see, Sanvello has recently partnered with Ableto to provide on-demand one-on-one virtual coaching and therapy services, as well as research-backed meditation and stress management tools that are accessible 24/7. If you look at the pricing, the app has a free version with limited offerings, while the premium self-care options come from at $8.99 per month and $53.99 annually. The professional therapy and coaching options, however, cannot be accessed through a self-pay plan. They are only available through specific insurance plans. When you look at the features, the self-care tools provide mood tracking, guided journaling, CBT exercises, that is cognitive behavioral therapy exercises, and meditation. For users who need more hands-on support, the platform connects you to therapists and coaches for one-on-one programs. These are CBT-focused programs conducted over 8 weeks, and they teach actionable skills to help users achieve specific tools. If you look at the reviews, Sanvello, we can also call it Sanvello Ableto, since they are partnering together, has 4.7 stars on the App Store, with users loving the professional expertise the platform offers up. As a user reported, the coach is very observant. She was able to tell from less than 30 minutes of talking that I have Asperger's syndrome. The fact that she was able to guess that correctly means that Ableto definitely hired a very intelligent therapist. So that's what a reviewer says, and she's also a user of the Sanvello Ableto app. However, if you're looking for a mobile-friendly mental health app, you may not find this very navigable, especially after the transition from the original Sanvello app to Sanvello Ableto app. So in other words, it's kind of complicated to maneuver. Hope you found this video helpful.